everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show how to create a simple site for a YouTuber using Olit Website Builder. As you can see, I'm on Olit's homepage, and I'll just log into my Olit account. I had previously chosen the template I'd like to use, so I'll just click on Edit Personal V2. It's a simple template, and it's a great template to create your own site. So the first thing I'll start off by doing is I'll change this header, and I'll say something like, hey, I'm the freelance YouTuber, and for this paragraph it says I'm a talented YouTuber who promotes various products on my YouTube channel. So once you're done with that, I'll go to the next section, which is the About Me section. As you can see, it says About Me. So I'm a passionate, instead of web designer, I'll say YouTuber. And I'm a talented YouTuber with over 5 years experience. And as you can see, my skills are WordPress, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, graphic design, video editing, and production. So we can go to my work and portfolio. So I'll change this and say, let's work together to generate new leads on YouTube. After that, we write something as simple as check out some of my best work. So here, in the first video, we're going to add a YouTube link. So you'll click on the video and click on settings, so YouTube. So I'll come to YouTube and just copy this URL and I'll paste it there. So I'll remove the first bit of that. As you can see, it's saved. I'll do the same for the next video. And for the last video, we can use the Vimeo. As you can see, it's quite simple as that. So once you're done, we can go to the next process. So for the work process, I'll see how I work. See my work strategy. So the first thing is discuss the project. If you'd like to explain further, you can do that as well, but for this video there's no need to explain. As you can see, it's straight to the point. We discuss the project. Here it's to develop and elaborate, and finally final improvements. So we can add certain images here. So I had installed some images before, so we can use that. And for the next one, we can choose another image. So once you're done adding the images, we can go to the next section. This is a quote. We can decide to delete it because we don't need it. So this is just the brands that are example of brands that I've worked with. So if you'd like, you'd change them. As you can see, they're just simple images. So if you have images for the brands you've worked with, you can add them. Finally, we come to the contact me section, and we'll see something as simple as have a project in mind, reach out to me. This is a small image I added, so we can leave it there. And here I'd like us to add the maps link. So we'll come to the blocks and drag maps and place it there. So once we are done with that, we can add the specific area we'd like to add it. So we can choose a location for today, and we'll say something as simple as Accra. We can click on that and let's see if it searches. As you can see, it has searched for Accra, and you can decide to zoom all the way in so that it's a bit clearer. So there it is. It's chosen just a general location, but you can decide to add a specific location by just pasting it there. And finally, let's come to the below text. So here I'd like to add my link tree link. So I'll highlight that, click on settings. The target is definitely a new window. Yeah, the target is definitely a new window. The link in form, I'll come to Linktree and I'll copy that and I'll paste it there, and then click OK. For my social media, I'll click on, let's say, the Facebook icon, and here I'll say https facebook.com stroke marketer thing, and I'll do the same for the other links. This is Instagram, Control V. Let me delete this. Then instead of Facebook, we'll put Instagram. My target is a new window. For Twitter, we'll do the same thing, new window, and we'll say twitter.com, and finally LinkedIn, settings, new window, and say something as simple as LinkedIn, and it's as simple as that. So we can visit this site and see if all the changes are reflected. As you can see, everything is working. I didn't say to change the image because it looks okay. So hey, I'm the freelance YouTuber. View portfolio. Here's my work and portfolio. This is my work process. These are the brands I've recently worked for. This is how you can reach me. This is the maps. As you can see, I zoomed in, and finally these are the links that I added. As you can see, if you click on it, it's going to redirect you to my link tree. For the social media, it also added twitter.com, LinkedIn, there it is, and Facebook. As you can see, something as simple as that. So let me remove these two sections so that it makes more sense. Let's remove that and that. So the last thing I'd like to show you is how to connect your own personal domain. As you can see, it's still using the Olit subdomain, and we're also going to change that to change this website title. So you'll come to your Olit dashboard, click on more actions, and click connect the domain. So I want to connect an existing domain. So this is just a domain that I have. It's called stayhydrated.co.ke. I'll click on connect. So as you can see, it's connected. So for these name servers, you always add them in your domain service provider. For the A records, I'll show you in the DNS. They were added automatically. So those are all my websites. It's something as simple as that. So if we refresh, as you can see, here it is, stay hydrated, and you still have the SSL. So finally, let's change the title. So more actions, SEO. Instead of personal, we'll say the freelance YouTuber. For description, I'll just give it the same thing. The freelance YouTuber with over 5 years experience. So we'll save that and save that, and when we refresh this, everything is reflected. So as you can see, it's quite simple to connect a site to create a site using Olit, to connect your own domain, to add links, videos, and even your maps. So thanks for watching, and in case you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. In case you have any video suggestions or anything you'd like to comment, you can always reach out to me on social media or even my email. So thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.